Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I will show you how you can go through the setup process of this phone. So to get started, when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with the language selection. Find your desired language, which for me it's English and it's already selected, and then click on Next. Choose your country, region. I do recommend choosing something that is in European Union, as this might give you better consumer rights, though I'm not sure if that's exactly how it works. It might still use localization. In any case, I'm just going to select whatever. And moving on, we have insert SIM card. This step is optional. You don't need to do that. Obviously, it's a phone, so you probably might want to. If you choose to skip this and also skip connecting to Wi-Fi, which is what I'm going to be doing, date and time won't be set automatically, you won't have Google login page, and you won't be able to restore apps and the data from a backup, a cloud one specifically. Now, moving on to the next page, we have user agreement and services. You can tap on both of them to read exactly what you're agreeing to, but if you're like basically everyone, you're never going to read a single word of that document, and you're going to select I have read and agreed to basically everything there, and move on to the next page. Next, we have Google services like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostics data. I can turn all of those off, for instance, like sending user and diagnostic data, and basically, I think it means nothing. You might think it probably doesn't gather data, but it's a closed system, so it's not like you can check it, and if it worked, companies wouldn't be in class action lawsuits and antitrust lawsuits for no reason. So take that with a grain of salt. It's more like a cliff note for Google to maybe consider not gathering data rather than an obligation. Next, we have set a screen lock, so you can choose fingerprint, face recognition, and PIN pattern or password. For the two first mentioned ones, you will always be required to select PIN pattern or password because those are biometrics, and biometrics aren't 100% reliable. So in the times where pages fail, you would be left with PIN pattern or password as a way to unlock your phone. Now, you can also not protect your device at all if you want to, but I would not recommend that. Next, we have Mobile Cloner. This is an application that you can use on your older device to basically move over all the data from your old device to this one. It's a very easy and seamless kind of thing to do, where you just select each category of data that you want to move, like call logs, messages, contacts, applications, music, photos, videos, all that stuff. You can choose whatever you want to move over, and it then creates a hotspot between each two devices and starts to copy over the data. It's super simple. You just need to download the application on your old phone to utilize this. Or if you're planning to set up this device as new without importing anything, you can select skip. Next, we have system navigation, and we have gestures and buttons. Obviously, choose whichever one you want. And this finishes up the setup. So let's click on the arrow. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.